Shauna gang, this your girl Spicy Shauna coming back with you with another video. I call all my new subbies and subby subs. Spicy Shauna gang, 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 gang. Tell a friend to tell a friend of coming over to Spicy Shauna's channel so you get to know me, I get to know you. We be one big happy family. Today is Saturday, March the 11th. Where I'm at, guys? Where did I tell y'all I was gonna go? And I was coming out with something in the car. Hey, say what's up to the Spicy Shauna gang.
Spicy Shauna gang, 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 gang.
God is good, y'all. God is good. Been here since 11 a.m. It is 5:12 p.m. Still not finished. I gotta do the paperwork and stuff like that. I done test drove like what? I did like 4 cars. I test drove like 4 cars. This is the one that fits me. It fits my credit. It fits my pockets, our pockets. So we settle for this. And if we want to upgrade, we could do so within 8 months. Right? 8 months? Within 8 months, we could upgrade. But this is good. I must let y'all see the car when I'm finished doing the paperwork. The guy that I'm dealing with is very, very good guy. He has a lot of patience. He gets a lot of clientele. I think we was his first client, and we had an 11 a.m. appointment. And it seemed like after the afternoon, like after 12:30 come, it gets crowded. So he has a lot of people. So we just now, well, we're not quite finished, but we almost finished. We almost there. But yeah, they done detailed the car, washed it and everything like that. And I'm just so excited. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. We've been claiming a car. We needed a car. But like I said before, this is not a car that's going to be up and down the road, stuff like that. No, we're not doing that. But I will show y'all a picture, a video of how the car looks on the outside and on the inside. As y'all see, it's like a 3rd row. Yeah, girls. So I'll see y'all when I do a tour of the car. Let go. Welcome back, Spicy Shauna gang. This your girl Spicy Shauna coming back with you with another video. I call all my new subbies and subby subs. Spicy Shauna gang, 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 gang. Tell a friend. Coming over to Spicy Shauna's channel so you get to know me, I get to know you. We be one big happy family. Happy Sunday, everybody. Me and Babe and I see my grandson. We're in the Walmart. He's going back home today. He has a little fever. I've been alternating the Tylenol and the Motrin. I know he's teething in the back, so that's why he can have a tooth. I mean, tooth still coming in. He got a whole bunch of teeth. But right now we're in Walmart. I'm about to get him a car seat because y'all know I got a car, y'all. I got a car. I want to get him a car seat. Make sure I get the right one for him to grow into it. So I'm gonna keep buying a car seat. Say hi, Poop. Say Spicy Shauna gang, 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 gang. Do Spicy Shauna gang, gang, gang.
Gang, 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 gang.
Well, let me give him a car seat and I'll be right back. Let go. He's trying to zip down his coat, take his coat on. Zip it up. Put that coat on. Yeah, put it on. Going to that candy.
Candy.
Poo-poo.
Candy.
fire inspection on the game. I did his his car seat the best that I can. I'm gonna take it to a fire department station and let them do it the correct way. I have the booklet, so as we drive in, I'm gonna read this and see what I'm doing wrong. It's been years since I did this. So he's in here, has his tablet. I got him strapped up to the other strap. So he's secure for right now, but I'm gonna make sure that he's extra secure. I'm gonna take it to a fire station and let them do it for us. So, let's go. Welcome back, Spicy Shauna gang. This your girl Spicy Shauna coming back with you with another video. I call all my new subbies and subbies Spicy Shauna gang. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over to Spicy Shauna's channel so you get to know me. I'll get to know you. We be one big happy family. Happy Wednesday, happy Hump Day Wednesday, everybody. Today is Wednesday, March the 13th, if I'm not mistaken. I'm off tonight. I don't have to go into work. I'm barely just getting up. I did doubles Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday is my rest day. As y'all see, I'm driving my car. I forgot to bring my phone mount. So this video here is gonna be like a week video. Everything gonna be all into one. So I'm on my way to the Walmart. I don't have to get into a cab. Let me tell y'all a funny joke. So when me and Devon went to the dealership on Saturday, so of course we had gotten a cab. You know, the cab man we always get rid of a, ride with. So we got in a cab, and me and Devon don't carry cash. We always have our debit card, but we scrambled up some cash because I think he had charged us from my house to the dealership. I think he charged us like I think it was $15 if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm lying. He charged us like $25. So I had $12. Mom had $10. So we were screaming us. So the point of the story is that we owe the taxi driver $2. So he was like, no, y'all good. So Devon said, when I call you to come pick us up, this is why I don't drive, y'all. When I call you to come pick us up, I'm gonna give you the $2. So I told Devon, you're not calling him. We coming back in the car. You're not calling nobody. We are coming back in a vehicle. And the cab man started laughing. He said, that's right. So that was the joke. I don't know if y'all got it or not, but and we did come back in the vehicle. So yes, I'm on my way to Walmart. I'm making but I'm not making it. My son is gonna cook. He said he gonna come over and some cook. So we having chicken Alfredo. So we needed some more noodles. I have the Alfredo sauce. So I'm on my way to Walmart because I had to come here anyway. On my way to Walmart to get the noodles, and he wouldn't have it with broccoli. Gotta get some broccoli. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Gotta get the broccoli, and I don't think I have no more juice in my house. And what else I gotta get? I don't know. It'll come to me. Come on. Because I know my patience is a little don't have. But then they drive past like I'm doing something wrong. I'm parking. What the hell? But yeah, this round drive, y'all. I got road rage. But anywho, yeah. So this is why I gotta come to the Walmart later. To come get a few little items that I gotta get, And then then I gotta go to AutoZone because I'm gonna get the little stickers that says baby on board. That's my grandson car seat is done. I think his father his dad did it. Because I was gonna take it to the fire. Okay, better. I was gonna take it to the fire department and let them do it, but his dad did it. Yeah, so it feels good. This is the first time that I'm driving the car because Devon drove it when we came out of the lot. He drove it, and we both work, so the car just sit there outside, whatever like that. If my daughter come over, she asks Devon to go pick her up from the bus stop or whatever like that. He does that. I be at work, so I don't do that. But yeah, so let me get inside Walmart and get this thing for my son to cook because I didn't eat nothing this morning. I tell you, I did 2 OTs, Monday, Tuesday. When I came home this morning, got in the shower, I washed my hair. I got the 4 big plaits in my hair, and laid down. So when I get back, I'm going to do my room because my room look a mess. Put the new bedding on it. I was waiting for a blanket that I ordered from Amazon. It finally came. So I'm going to, why Walmart look so busy today? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make up my bed. I'm going to bring y'all along with me so y'all can see the color theme scene that's on my bed. No, my grandson not here. I was supposed to make the bed up, but I had my grandson. I know that he be having his snacks and stuff in my bed and stuff like that. I didn't want the new set to get dirty. So let me stop blabbering. Let me get into this Walmart. Lego. Like a little car, little vlog. Anywho, $73 after. Whatever. I did it. It's over with. I'm about to go to McDonald's to get me something to eat. Like I said, I didn't have no breakfast and nothing. I'm about to go to McDonald's real quick, get me something to eat, and bring stuff upstairs. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. It ain't much, but I'm still gonna show y'all. And let's go. forgot to show y'all what I ordered. I ordered just a $4 bundle. The nuggets and the fries. Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. No problem.
Thank you. I always check my food, make sure they put my barbecue sauce or whatever condiments that I asked for in there. Because drive-through is horrible. That's why I like to walk in and order my food. But yeah, let me go back home. So I'll see you guys. I gotta drive safely. Alright, Stacy Sun again. Let me show you what I got from the Wally World. Okay, I got some honey butter grand flaky layer biscuits. These are the bomb. Minute Maid fruit punch. Minute Maid fruit punch. Got me some cranberries from my salad. Some garlic seasoned and butter flavored croutons. Ragu sauce. Alfredo sauce. Ragu spaghetti sauce. I'm sorry guys. I got orange and red pepper. Cookie dough chocolate chip. I got ziti noodles. I have one box left. I always like to have two. Penal noodles. I got two of those. 2 things of broccoli. Some intimate 12 assorted with frosted donuts. Eggs are going down finally. So I got me 18 counts of eggs. Some hamburger buns for my hamburgers and what's that thing I got? The chicken patties. 100% whole wheat bread. The thick and fluffy Eggo waffles. I already had a pack in here. I like to just be restocked. And I know I don't need it, but this is my cinnamon swirl intimates. Some Scotties. Come on, paper towel. Some Gatorade and mini canned Schweppes soda.